Ever noticed how AI robo-dogs guard mode always chases the mailman first, but intruders waltz past yawning? Owners blame motion sensors or beta firmware. But you only have to decode the gate. Pattern recognition prioritizes uniform sway plus package rhythm as highest threat, ignoring stealthy creeps. Turns out that frantic pursuit wasn't friendly fire. It's delivery defense highways outsmarting human intruders. Actually pretty brutal. Burglars rob empty while robo-hound herds packages safely. Twist: bots lap burglars, mail owns security. Genius.